Improving your sales performance starts with understanding what works and what doesn't. Here's how ChatGPT can coach you through creating a feedback loop to refine your approach. Start by using the personalization or memory feature to document customer interactions. Use a prompt like, ChatGPT, can you record details about recent sales, including customer objections, techniques I used, and the outcomes? Next, ask ChatGPT to analyze patterns with a prompt like, what are the common objections I encounter? What techniques have been most effective in closing deals? Use the insights to create a checklist for improvement. Did I address objections clearly and confidently? Was I able to personalize my pitch based on customer needs? How effectively did I close the sale and follow up? With this feedback loop, you'll have a structured way to learn from every interaction and continuously enhance your sales skills.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.